Hi, welcome to week 4. Time is flying by. So this is week 4, CTS 115. This week we're going to split chapter 3 into 2 parts. We'll talk this week about database systems, and then next week we'll talk about big data. So this week there is no quiz, no exam. I'll do that next week. So you only have the Quizlet Q&A if you're so interested, and two assignments, I guess, in theory. You've got the chapter 3. I've given you a look at a critical thinking exercise. Actually, it's a case study, sorry. That I want you to answer 3 of the critical thinking questions for the case study. And then also the reflection journal. So those are the only 2 things, is look at the case study and the reflection journal. No quiz, no test, and you're only having half the chapter. So hopefully it helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.